Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Venmo to an external wallet step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open up the Venmo app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the crypto section. Now choose Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. In the bottom right corner, you'll see two arrows next to the buy button. Tap on those arrows. If this is your first transferring crypto on Venmo, the app will ask you to verify your identity. This includes your full name, social security number, and address. Once that's done, you'll reach a new screen. Go ahead and tap on send. At the top of the screen, paste the Bitcoin wallet address where you want to send your BTC. Double check the address. Crypto transactions can't be undone, and sending to the wrong address means you lose your Bitcoin. After pasting the address, Venmo will ask you to complete a quick ID verification. That means scanning your face and uploading a photo ID. Once you're verified, you land on the screen where you can enter the amount or Bitcoin you want to send. Heads up, Venmo requires a minimum amount to send Bitcoin to external wallets. If you try to sending too little, I think you will go through. And however, if you're sending Bitcoin to another Venmo user, you can usually send smaller amounts. Once you've entered the correct amount, tap review and transfer, then hit send. And that's it, your Bitcoin is on its way to the external wallet. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, I have promised.